This is the modified Cold War quiz for Mr. Belden 4A. Number 1, event in which President Kennedy ordered the training of Cuban exiles to invade Cuba and kick Fidel Castro out of power. Was it Cuban Missile Crisis, the space race, or the Bay of Pigs? Number 2, Soviet premier who took over after the death of Stalin. Was it Mikhail Gorbachev, Edwin Molotov, or Nikita Khrushchev? Number 3, event in which President Kennedy ordered a quarantine of Cuba to stop Soviet ships in putting warheads on the island. Was it Cuban Missile Crisis, space race, or Bay of Pigs? Number 4, communist supporters living in South Vietnam were known as, is it Black Panthers, Viet Cong, or Viet Minh? Number 5, who was the president immediately after JFK was assassinated? Was it Bobby Kennedy, Lyndon Johnson, or Dwight Eisenhower? Number 6, which statement best describes Americans' viewpoint of the Vietnam War? Was it the American people were united in their support for the Vietnam War? The American people knew the war was winnable, but did not want to see further American lives lost. Or many Americans protested against the nation's involvement in the war. And number 7, which statement best describes the U.S. foreign policy during the Cold War? Was it became more involved with countries who are rich in oil, form an alliance with North Korea, or stop the spread of communism anywhere in the world by following a policy of containment? Check your answers and hit submit.